Hello guys, welcome once again. I hope you can guess the location where we are touring today. We are in one of the most beautiful city in Qatar, a city which was built from scratch, a city with man-made island, a beautiful city which is Lusail City. This city was built purposely because of the 2022 World Cup. A city where foreigners can buy properties. If you are a foreigner and you want a place in Qatar to buy a property, you have the chance. You can buy any property you want in Lusail City. This city is 30 to 40 minutes drive from Hamad International Airport. Today I'm going to show you the environment of this location, Lusail City. I will show you the man-made island, the environment, everything. This is DKY Media 56. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment if this is your first time. So I'm going to show you the beautiful island which is located in Lusail City. I hope you are watching. You can see this very beautiful island. This is located in Qatar. If you are planning for any vacation, any holidays with a family or only you can visit Qatar. You see how this island look very beautiful. Very good place to visit. You can see it by yourself. See, and the environment also. Look at the beautiful environment. Great trees. You see the properties I was talking about. If you have the money, you can acquire some for yourself and your family. And this give you opportunity to have Qatar passport. Yeah, as a foreigner, you can visit this. If you have property here, you can visit Qatar at any time, any day, whenever you want. This is DKY Media 56. If today is your first day watching us, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. We travel around the world. We show you beautiful places, beautiful environment where you wish to visit one day with the family on vacations. You can come here if you own property here or if you don't even own property here. During vacation you can also come here and testify the beauty and the experience of this island. There is boat, everything that you want. Canoe. The only thing is you got your ticket. The drivers will take you around the sea. See a beautiful. Everything is on point. Everything is on point. Look at the iconic hotel. Also is very closer to the island. Look at the environment. Beautiful environment. This city was built purposely for 2022 World Cup. You see, it was built from scratch. This city was not there before, but they built it purposely for the 2022 World Cup. So you can come and visit here and see the environment by yourself. Beautiful environment, beautiful sea, beautiful island, beautiful equipment. Everything is on point. You see how the environment looks very beautiful. I just want to show you how this island and its environment looks like. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You see how the environment and the properties around this island look so beautiful. Just look. And the environment also is very neat. Very, very neat. Neat. When we say neat, this is neat. Look at the trees over there. Very green also. This is one thing I always say about Qatar. Qatar, is located in desert, but nothing shows that Qatar is in desert. Everything is on point. Green environment. The environment is very green. You can see it by yourself. And the island water is also clean. You can see the sea water. Very, 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 very clean. And if this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment so that others can also watch for us, so that we can grow. There are a lot of people who wish to travel, but they have not able to go now. So we are showing you the good environment, good places where you can visit when your plans and everything are set. You are ready to move. This channel is one of the best channel who will show you a beautiful places and environment which will tour with you around the world. Africa, Asia, America, North America, Europe, everywhere. We are there. Everywhere. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for us to grow together. You see the environment alone. Hope you are watching how the environment looks like. The island, how the island. This is a place where the biggest ship came during the World Cup time. The ship that contains hotel, because during the World Cup, hotels, 5-star hotels are all occupied. So they brought some biggest ship here for people to accommodate, to enjoy life over there. Don't forget to subscribe, you share, you like also. This is DKY Media 56. This is the environment of Lusail Island. Beautiful island and a beautiful city in Qatar. I hope you are enjoying this trip with me. Just look at the environment, the place. Look at the grounds also. If you come here, there is bicycles, scooter, everything is here. You can ride any of your choice. I hope you are enjoying this trip with me. The beautiful places. You see how this environment looks very beautiful. Just look. Look. Just view it by yourself. You see how the green the environment is. The iconic buildings. Just look at this beautiful environment. Just visit here one day if only you have the money to travel and the paperwork also. The most beautiful city I have ever visited, and the most beautiful island also. This is DKY Media 56. You see, we show you very good environment, very good hotels. Just look at this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I hope you are enjoying this. I hope you are enjoying this trip. This beautiful ocean. Look. This very, very beautiful ocean. Island, you see? The island and its surroundings. Beautiful, beautiful buildings also. You can see it by yourself. You see the environment. These properties, if you are a foreigner, you can acquire some. This is the only place in Qatar a foreigner can buy a property. Own a property here. Because this is 30 to 40 minutes drive from Hamad International Airport. So the moment you land the airport, 30 minutes drive, you'll be here. You see the iconic hotel also. I will encourage everyone to visit this place. This place is very beautiful. If you want to take photo shoot, pictures, music videos, anything at all. See the background. Look. Green environment. Very green environment. Just look. This is Qatar Lusail City. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This is DKY Media 56. We travel with you around the globe, show you beautiful places, beautiful environment where you can have your freedom, your happiness, where you can acquire properties, anything that you want, we will give it to you. That's why I always encourage everyone to subscribe to this channel. Like, you share also. This is very, very beautiful area to stay. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.